This video will guide you how to fix bad sectors in Windows 10 or in Windows 11. A bad sector is a section of your disk that has become permanently damaged. There could be a myriad of reasons for this. A malware problem, abrupt shutdown, overheating, and so on are just some of them. So bad sector on your Windows PC isn't a matter to take lightly. If you follow one of the methods I detail in this video, you will most probably be able to fix the bad sector. The first method is to use in the inbuilt properties tool. For that you have to go to this PC, that is my PC, and from here right click on the drive you like to scan and repair. That is, just right click on this drive and then select the properties, then select tools, then click on error checking, just click on that and then click scan drive. A new scan will begin which will examine the complete drive for any bad sectors. If you find any new bad sectors, you will get an option to fix your drive. In this case, the scan haven't found any unusual, so close it. The next method is to run the check disk scan, that is chkdsk scan. It's a popular command prompt tool that is used to check and repair different kind of errors and bugs that occur in hard disk. So to get started, you have to head to the start menu and you have to open the CMD. Now here you have to type in the following command. Check this command along with the relevant parameters as I show here, that is chkdsk and space the drive which you want to scan, F drive /F/R. So it shows that the Windows has scanned the file system and found no problems, and you can close down the window once the scan is complete. Now the next method is to do a factory reset. Use this method as the last resort. The factory reset is a way to completely format your entire system and restore everything to its initial settings when you first bought the PC. So for that you have to head to the start menu. From there just go to the settings and inside the systems just move down and click on recovery and click reset PC. Now here the factory reset option will be launched. From there follow the on-screen instructions and your settings will be switched without any hassles. And also there are some third-party tools which you can use to scan your system disk, but since these options are available in Windows 10 and 11, we don't have to rely on the third party. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.